Okay, folks, Friday, 16th of December, and just one more week to come before we are ho 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 towards the end of the year. So, we have had a phenomenal week here on these markets. Really crazy stuff going on. Something for the buyers and the sellers. Really, we'll look at S&P, we'll look at the euro, and we're going to look at oil here as well. And I mean, Bitcoin, we'll talk about that next week to round off the year. So let's start off with the S&P on the daily. So look, it's happened. I mean, months of talking about this area up here and on the downward trend on the year. Everyone sees this trend. And bammo, we came into the trend here. Now, what Jason and myself were talking about was we come into the trend. Now, it really coincided with FOMC, was CPIs, then FOMC, ECB yesterday. Lots of stuff going on here. Lots and lots of stuff going on. And, BAMO into here on the CPIs, I think it was this on Tuesday, I think we got. Was it Tuesday? Just let me check on that, the 13th. Yeah, it was. And then FOMC, bang, down we come. Now, what happened on FOMC was we did essentially the outlook now is for higher terminal rate for June, 5.16. That's risen up. Okay, so quite hawkish on the forecasting. Also, then the GDP forecast is lower. Okay, revised lower. And essentially, we did not get word of the dovishness coming through, mention of a 25 basis point hike on the next one. Didn't get that. And the market was kind of keyed up to look for that, hear that, get that. Didn't get that. And Jerome got out the big baseball bat and said, he wasn't going to be called out on any of the questioning as to, are you looking to soften? He didn't really, he kind of shrugged off the soft CPIs that we've had leading up to his statement release and speech. And so, therefore, market, rallied up here on the CPIs, came in the following evening, and then bammo to the downside here, right? So we breached the key level here, YP-val 3960s on the SPOOs. If you don't know what that is, do get in contact. This is part of our edge to trade this. This is probably one of the largest type of areas to trade in the market for any size of trader, institution to day trader. All right, this is really big stuff. Now, as it turned out, if we go down to the daily, we were all in the room looking for supports to come in again around here after the roll, especially, and we did get really nice longs leading up into that CPI figure and then into this zone here. Bang, down we come. Remember, I think we were buying up into this and selling off the highs, so really nice. But if we then look in on the 30-minute, right? Got the squawk in my ear here. I'm just gonna kill him off. We're gonna get CPI finals now in 10 minutes out of the Eurozone. But look at what happened here. All right, bam, into the highs. Okay, on CPI day, right, into the highs, and then easy to take the shorts off. Back down we go, right, and really capitulated down. But this is kind of, what Jason and I were talking about was, what I said was that I think we get the CPIs, we rally, and then we set up for FOMC. And I presumed we would then get more dovishness in the FOMC, and we would kind of flounder around here, and then bammo, we'd start buying again on the dovishness. We didn't get that. And you can see here, down we go on the FOMC right there. Okay, right there, 8 o'clock. This is the 30-minute period when Jerome would have started answering questions from the public. And of course, this candle here is when the release came out. Okay, so no dovishness, and then bang, we sell down. Now, yesterday, I was looking to be buyer down here, as you can see, but we came in on the open yesterday, and just a slight little touch into VWAP. I got short. I think a few of the guys got short on that. And then I thought, okay, fine. As we come down, then we could scale out into the 3960s and then look to flip on the long. Well, let me tell you, this thing came down here like, a fat kid on a water slide. All right. It came flying down here. The VIX was printing off. The VIX, I think, finished about 12% up on the day. And you know what? They just came selling again. They just came selling again. So this market went back, down, as you can see on the chart. So, off we go to the downside. And we're coming in today again. And we're not, where are the buyers? Where are the buyers? They're not here. Right. And now on the Dow, it was looking to swing on the overnight off of kind of, the S&P, but basically off of these kind of lows, swinging. And look, we're just, had to puke that position on the entry area this morning. So, I got served. I got totally served by this market. What are we looking at here on the Dow? It looks kind of good again, actually, now. But let's see what we can get through the session. Okay. So what else are we looking for here today on these markets? I mean, look, I think trade-wise, we need, for the longs to come in, we need to recover the 38.90s half as a sort of support area to lean against for the longs. And then I think we need to retest into this area. And guess what? The green area turns red. Okay, so really leaning up against that 39.60s now. I don't think the trading is going to be easy. I think we've come a little too far, too fast for these markets. All right, that's the S&P. All right. What else do we say we look at? We look at Euro. Now, Euro coming into the ECB yesterday, really, we were kind of quite high on the breakout from the bull flag out of the channel here, okay? So we were kind of quite high, leaning against this one spot, 08030s, okay? 08030s. And if we then go back to the 30-minute, you can see really, yesterday I was kind of probing around in the morning part of the session well before ECB statement and presser. And, just probing around, market went off the south side, came into the speech at around... starting in around here, and we did manage to capitalize, get long, and boom, look at the targets up here. So quite a few of us definitely getting out on the PVAH here. Two really nice occasions to get out there, pull back into VWAP, found resupport, and then bang, spot 08030s. Enough said. And then lo and behold, I just thought that was too much, and we sold this down. So, definitely a nice little trade there to reverse down. I think we just got a little too far, too fast on that last mile here on the euro on the high. Good resistance. And I really only traded this back down to PVAH, but look at what happened. New lows on the day, and so really only getting about 40% trade efficiency out of that short. But nonetheless, lovely trading to be had. Now supports have come in, big supports on the Dixie come in this morning, and bang, we're down, selling off the PVAH. I'm a little bit slow to bank stuff here this morning on that long. Came in some positive data there for the Eurozone. So really, I'm going to be taking it easy today. I don't need to try and be a hero because it's been a long week. Yesterday was absolutely bonkers. So, not much coming in the US session. We're looking at 245 manufacturing PMI for December, set to come out 47.7, in line with the prior. You're looking at global composite PMI for the S&Ps as well at 245, set to come out 47s, even above 46.4 on the prior, and the services PMI 46.8, set to come out a small beat on the prior 46.2. And that's going to be it for this week. And then Monday, I'm going to take a break on Monday, and then we're going to trade Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then it's Christmas. We won't be back until, I think, the 2nd or 3rd of January. All right. That is it for me for another pre-US session. Take it easy out there today. I think these markets are gonna want to rally back from the selling that we've seen the last 2 days. All right. Be good. Bye-bye.